we're eating Publix chicken, hot and spicy, with some ranch. I think you can get sued by showing that. Can you?
No.
Oh.
Who cares?
Don't
What are they
wanna
gonna
get
sue
sued?
us?
Huh?
What are they gonna sue us with? Our high school diplomas?
Shut up. That's so stupid. Hot and spicy breaded chicken.
Okay.
I bought it. She bought the ranches.
Shut up. How much did your stuff cost?
$18.
18? My stuff one cost is 12. Oh, 3.
I know.
The bird ate its family member.
It ate. I don't want to give it another one though. I feel sad.
Why?
Cause I think it's gonna choke.
Yeah, because it is eating a bone. It's not a dog.
So I'm not doing it again.
It's so good. If I could eat this every day.
I don't know.
This,
You know, this is the first time I ate fried chicken in maybe like a year.
a year? Dang.
I don't eat fried chicken. I eat grilled chicken.
Where are you tossing your bones at? Should I toss it to the bird?
No, I just said don't do it. It's probably gonna die.
Where do I put it out?
On the table. It's bird poop on the table. I don't think it'll hurt to put some chicken on the table.
Ooh.
It's drumstick.
Thighs.
We look so greasy and ugly on here, but we're actually pretty in person.
I know.
Huh?
I've been taking pictures of myself. I'm like, damn, I look ugly, but I know I look decent in person. I look decent in person.
Fried chicken hurts my stomach.
Okay.
I don't eat it that much. I really only like grilled chicken.
When I worked at KFC, boy, that grilled chicken used to be good.
Grilled?
Yeah, we have grilled chicken.
This was a waste of my money. It hurts my stomach.
Why?
Man, I want to get my gator real quick. Hold the phone.
Get the food.
I'm going to promo my big Gatorade. Maybe I might get a sponsor from Gatorade. Play sports. It's like basketball, softball, volleyball,
You get sponsored for Nike.
soccer. I like Nike. I like Adidas. I like a lot of things.
I like Pumas.
Oh, that bird's so pretty. It looks weird.
His beak is dirty.
If it pecked us, ooh, it would hurt so bad.
I know.
And that one can't even swallow that chicken.
Yeah.
That one, his throat would tear apart and die.
Bro,
Move. It's so pretty though. I feel sad. Oh, I hope it don't go under the table.
I'm be sad.
Huh?
I'm be sad if it comes over here. No, for real. Bro,
I can't see it.
Don't come near me. I'm not freaking playing with you.
Do you see it?
No.
Go. He's trying to peek his head under the table. Oh my god, oh my god.
Go. Ah, it's right there. Is it there?
Where's it at?
Go. Dang. Man. Nick. I almost called the N-word. Go. No, go.
Jerry, you just threw a crumb. Now it's really gonna come under the table. Oh, we didn't introduce
Stop.
ourselves. We didn't introduce ourselves.
Stop real quick. I don't.
Now look, here comes more birds. Move. Move.
Freak, man, the birds. Bro, like, we just imagine pecking one.
My name's Autumn. Her name is Jerry. We're twin sisters.
Yeah, we're
She's
the
a minute
Gar
older.
sisters.
Don't tell people our last names.
You see that?
Yeah, it's stupid.
Bro, where's the other bird at? Where's the other bird at?
I hear it.
Bro, where's the other bird at? For real. Mom, no,
I think it's under the table.
I'm not playing. Oh,
I'm serious.
I'm not playing.
What the? Hey, move. It's lifting its feathers up. That's attack mode.
No, I'm not playing.
That's right. Ow.
Get it. You
Ow.
get
Throw
it.
the chicken so far its head. I swear to
You could be the
God.
older sister right now.
Move. I ain't scared of no bird.
I don't want to take our food.
I got a foot in a hand.
Our food is good.
Not that good, but
Imagine this one coming to us. Imagine that. I wouldn't know what to do.
you know, small birds are more the hard ones because they're stupid.
Or what?
The small birds are the more hard
No,
ones.
my
'cause they're
God, it's
stupid.
another bird.
Behind you.
Yes, it just went over there.
I hope it don't hurt my bad knee.
No, I'm just. Look at your foot. Get it.
Where? Move! But I swear to God.
They're dumb birds. Do you want to move?
Where are we gonna go? In a car, like I said the first time?
Yeah.
Now you think it's a better idea,
I
don't
want to be
you?
in a compacted space. I want to get out here. I ain't scared of him. It ain't scared of you.
Yeah, it's gonna be scared when I hit it.
I ain't gonna hit it. You're gonna hit it. For me. Get it, bruh. Get it, man. I don't want to get it. Bro, like, they're... fuck. Fuck.
You're so annoying.
Huh?
Move! Your foot, stupid.
They're coming. Damn. Oh. Go.
Because there's crumbs under the table.
Here, you fat self. Here. Fuck. Go. Now leave me at the alone.
You're stupid because you fed it now, so it'll come right
Cool.
to you.
I'm leaving, Autumn. I'm leaving, okay? I'm leaving. I'm not gonna get pecked by birds. I'm not. Get that. I'm leaving. I'm really leaving. Now you don't. I'm leaving. I'm leaving, Autumn. Go. Get the food. They're coming. I'm leaving. Bro, I'm not playing. It's right there. Let's see. Oh my God. Oh. Bro. I'm joking. Autumn, I'm leaving. I'm ending the vlog. Say bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.